Problem 117, we're taking a look at a hiker who travels 25 miles the first day. So if I start writing out a series, 25 is the first term. And then each day he travels 5% shorter distance. So if it's a percentage of the previous day, that means we're going to have a geometric series. My multiplier is going to be 0.95. So it's 100% minus 5%, which is 95%. So the decimal is 0.95. So that means the second term would be 25 times 0.95. The next term after that would be 25 times 0.95 squared, and so on. A couple things to notice also about this problem is we are looking at if he could walk forever. That means this is now an infinite geometric series. Our multiplier is less than 1 but greater than 0, so that it will work out. We cannot have an infinite series if our multiplier is greater than 1. So we have a new formula then for an infinite series, and the formula is a over 1 minus r, where a is your first term, so that's 25, divided by 1 minus r, and r is the multiplier, so it's 0.95. So that gives me 25 divided by 0.05. And that equals 500 miles. So if he travels for forever and he's walking 5% shorter each day, he will reach 500 miles, but will never get past 500 miles.